Today, everyone will be solving some of our moment of force. So, determine the moment of force and express the result as a Cartesian vector. So, atong ginagawa is to define the so as you can see our para mas na-identify natin ang values easily. So, after that, magkuha na ito nag-delete, ako na ito i-identify ang mga coordinates. So, sa akin, sa akin, sa kaya, hindi ba? Sa which is the y-axis, x-axis, which is the I, then sa y-axis, 4, and 0. Sa B, still the same, 1, and then 4, and the z-axis, 2. Remember the unit. Then sa C, right lang, only 5. Converging towards C. From C. So 5. Y-axis. 0, 0. At ang mana na, ato na po sulong ang force, which is the formula na F is equals to magnitude of F, force, multiplied by its unit is C. So, before we proceed, ato sa nagsulong ng UBC. So, UBC is equals to position vector BC divided by its magnitude RS. So, for this application, from BC, line BC, ma-minus siya minusan ang I. So, minusan 4I minus 4K minus 2K. Then, divided by its magnitude square of 4 square plus negative 4 square plus negative 2 square. So, makakuha sa force niya, ato ni siya i-divide ang mga i-divide na ito siya sa. So, makakuha we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So after that, we can now proceed for the first step. So ito sa nililist. So ano siya? 120 times 0.667 minus 0.667 J minus 0.8. So after that, of course, ato ni distribute ang value sa photo ng video. So may po siya 120 times 0.667 get the value of 80i. Same as that one, the J ay parehas ng value, pero negative lang sign. Sa K, 180 times 2, we get 40. After that, we can now proceed to magnitude, which is gamit na natin mga formula. Force, which is 80i plus minus 80j minus 40. So we can now use the formula MO is equals to R position ROC by the number of R, which is the multiply by its force. So ito for the simplification, para lang distribute ang value I, J, K. So kung ito 1, yun siya 5, 0, 0. Then kanina force 80. So after that, ito na ito yung 1. Distribute ang all na ito ang element sa I, J, K. So method lang na ang pagkuha sa I, ito yung multiply, which is ang I, yung same way multiply sa 0 is 0. So yung I na po is 0. Minus, kaya ang rules sa partition vector, ang pagkuha sa element sa JK is alternate yung sign. So first, positive, sunod negative. So J by, kaya napunta, 5 times 40. This is 111. Take